SouFLoTV. And my TV that man. But it's when the granny back foot a go on in ya. Kiss me granny neck back. Oi! Hi, hello. It's not yours. Put it down. If you never work for it, put it that if you teach the people them things. SouFLo. Come look on this. You know, I find it funny how they release certain type of information into the public space, especially to a certain demographic of people. Read between the lines of what I'm saying to you, right? And basically set these people up for failure. Just like how they came out with the PPP loans and they had everybody believing that you could get some of this money and it's going to be easy. And if anything, worst case scenario, you get caught, you just got to pay back the money. So if you take the money, PPP, and then you get caught, make sure you have some saved so you could pay back some restitution. And when it came down to it, it was mostly people of color that I saw going to prison for 15, 20 years and more for some money, right? Same thing with the scamming stuff right here. Punchmade Dev. Punchmade Dev is a industry plant and an agent. And yeah, I said it. He is not no damn artist that's working his way up. This is somebody that is put here, planted in the industry to weed out and to influence youths to continue to fill these prisons. If you don't believe it, then that's on you. Shout out to Hip Hop DX for this, right? Punchmade Dev wears the criminal lifestyle like a badge of honor. And he has once again dropped a new song about finessing the system. First of all, let me say something. If you out here in 2023 wearing a criminal badge as a badge of honor, a criminal lifestyle as a badge of honor in today's world where there are so many different surveillance techniques that are used by law enforcement, and you're all over social media with it, it's just a matter of time before you're locked up in one of these prison cells begging for your mama to put some money on your books or come see you or go get you a lawyer so she could try to get you up out of there, right? And thinking about finessing the system, no. I want you to think about this really hard because the system might just be finessing you, finessing your ass right into a prison cell. Right? Making you think everything is all good. You get away with a couple of licks until the system gets its lick back. And then you really hurt. So on Wednesday, July 12th, this 22-year-old rapper, he dropped what was called Wire Fraud Tutorial. An actual rap video called Wire Fraud Tutorial. Basically, teaching people how to scam through his rap, along with a music video in which he boasts about fluency in cheating, how he gets to the money. The title of the new single is pretty much self-explanatory, as the song is essentially a step-by-step tutorial on how to commit wire fraud. Now, you know, there's a lot of young people out here that's going to pay attention to this. YouTube snatched it down. YouTube took it down off its platform. It says that it violates YouTube's terms of service, so it was taken down. It's glorifying wire fraud. It's glorifying committing a crime. And it's also giving step-by-step tutorial basically on how to commit this type of crime and get away with it. In some of the lines, he said, "Listen up. I'm finna show y'all how to hit a bank. Just pay attention. This is a quick way to jug in any state. First, you want to get a bank log from a trusted site. Do your research because the information must be right." This is what he raps about before going into details about how beginner scammers, people who ain't never done this before, could actually listen to his song, go step by step, and commit this Class C felony and hopefully get away with it. He flaunts a lot of money around. He says he's been doing it for a minute, and for some reason they can't catch him, and he keeps on getting more money. So he's going to show other people how to commit wire fraud, basically scamming and get money the same way he does and avoid jail cells or prison at the same time. The reaction to the song, surprisingly, hilarious as the subject matter is, but with listeners flooding the comments section with sarcasm. You don't come across this every day. An inspirational young man teaching the youths financial stability and how to manage money that is gained through his illegal occupation. Thank you, Punchmade Dev. I will never forget this extraordinary punch lesson. This is what one YouTuber wrote, right? I mean, they're trying to be sarcastic, but I could guarantee you that they're probably writing down step by step and they're going to try it, right? Come on. You've been on TikTok and you've seen them dumbass videos on TikTok that got people hurting themselves, children, teenagers hurting themselves trying to do these challenges. You think they're not going to try to see if they can make $10,000 off of this step-by-step scamming stuff? Another person said, great tips for financial literacy. Exactly what I needed. Now, despite the whole bunch of jokes and whatnot, some were impressed by his transparency and his attention to detail, to the point one user said, I likes this dude's style. He's straight up honest about his shit. No hiding or lying about what he does. Just the cold facts. Now, this isn't the first time that he has embraced a life of crime and deception. He had previously released multiple songs in the same wavelength as the one above. He had one song that's called Easy Scams and another one that was called Scam Tag. Now, other than that, he has also released a series of provocative and controversial songs such as Special Needs Kids, Cancer Patient, and Punch Anthem. His brand, as of now, is centered on a unserious approach towards serious topics. Man, listen, I don't know what's wrong with today's generation. It's like everybody is itching to mess up their reputation. Everybody is itching to go do some time in a institution somewhere, a prison, a jail cell, and they're all telling on themselves step by step. This is how I do it. Now tell the feds to come get me. Oh, man. And it'd be the ones that are crying the loudest too when the feds come and get them. One person says, wow, really? That was garbage. Another person says, I'm black. But should I say I'm proud of this young man? No, I'm not. He deserves to be in jail for the rest of his life, trying to defraud people and trying to teach other people how to defraud people as well. Another person says, stop being haters. Punchmade for life. Get your money up. You're funny up. Another person says, we've added the new material to our investigation. Hip hop cops. And another person said, what the F is a Punchmade Dev? Shaking my head. The only thing more relevant, more irrelevant, more tasteless, more cringier, more corny than trash ass nobody Punchmade Dev is the non-credible, fake, fraudulent, wannabe, pretending, pathetic, embarrassing, laughable, freelancing, garbage as fuck, LQBTQDX trash. Wow. Another person says, bro is literally richer than all of y'all, and he's not even gay. And another person says, be true to you. Live your truth. Success is yours, and I'm happy for you. You know, in today's world, right, nobody gives a damn. Oh, damn, that's JJ. He killed his mom. Yeah, but he's rich, though. Hey, that's Steven, man. He chopped his dad in 2 pieces. Decapitated him. Yeah, but he's rich, though. It's like there's nothing wrong with anything you do as long as a lot of money is the outcome. You understand what I'm saying? And this right here, I'm going to say it again. This is a plant. I think this is a plant to lure in a whole lot of youths of color into a situation that they cannot get themselves out of. So, if you see this video and you feeling like Punchmade Dev and you're gonna go make hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars scamming and beating the system, I wish you all the luck in the world. Check it. Don't call my number though when you need some money put on your books or nobody has visited you in a while and you feeling down and you need a visit, because that's where you're heading. And it's only a matter of time before Punchmade Dev is sitting behind bars somewhere as well. Let me leave this right here, man. Y'all leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one, and I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.